The joys of doing something different. So we did add the washer into the rig and we already had the hookups here, but we're continuously getting a used water smell from this area. So my first thing I'm going to do is recap up this pipe just to see if that may have been it. But there is a waterless trap down at the bottom that should be stopping any gases from flowing back up. So let's start there and see what happens. Put the cap back on the drain pipe to see if that cuts the fumes coming back in. We should know pretty quick. That cap did eliminate the smell coming back from the pipe, so I narrowed it down to the waterless trap. This is how you remove it and get it repaired. Here's the waterless trap device that goes in, and this is to keep the gases and stuff from flowing back into the living area. And as you can see, all the way through, it is not closing off. That piece of rubber that's inside is supposed to close off and not allow gases to flow back up through the device. There's a plastic holder piece, I'm not sure we can see it in here, that is supposed to hold one piece of it down. Apparently it's holding the wrong side down because, as you can see, it is now sealing up like it is supposed to. So let's go put this thing back in and hopefully not twist it too far. When you're reinstalling this device, make sure that you twist the nuts, not the pipes, or you'll wind up moving the rubber gaskets inside of it. I believe that stinky water fumes is now going to be taken care of after fixing that valve, and we'll see. If it doesn't, I will update later, but I think that's got us fixed for now.